There's a 99% chance that your current N8N workflows are not set up to stop a DDoS attack. Now, if you don't know, a DDoS attack is basically someone spamming your endpoint or backend until it crashes and or runs up the cost to an insane amount. So in this example, we have a AI node that's set up to spell any name backwards, but that name has to have a D as the first letter. And if it doesn't, it's just going to throw an error instead. So if somebody wanted to attack the system, all they have to do is spam this endpoint over and over and over again with anything except a name that starts with the letter D. Now, not only will that spam the capacity of your server, but at the same time, it's going to run you up the cost of running this AI node over and over and over again. Now, this is a very basic example, but in real life, you wouldn't only have just two nodes here. A mistake like that can cost you hundreds, thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of dollars. Now, a pretty easy way to fix this is to have a code node that takes whatever the webhook is grabbing and check to see if it's even possible to take in. And if it can't take it in, it'll throw an error. But if by some chance it still gets through, you can send it to an if node to double check it. And if it's good, it'll go to the AI node. If not, it'll throw an error. Now, this part is really important because after a while of doing that, after a certain amount of times, you can have a setup in your workflow or in a separate one completely that will check for a certain amount of errors. And let's just say you get about maybe 30 errors within the span of 2 minutes, right? And if that happens, you can have a completely separate workflow trigger an endpoint to shut down your entire workflow. That way it prevents any more attacks and costs from occurring. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and follow for more AI security content.